Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am at the Monterey Bay Dahlia Show, and I'm going to show you all the different dahlias that they have. As you can see behind me, they have quite a few. So let's go ahead and get going. So they have two buildings full of dahlias here. I'm in the second building now. Oh my gosh. I have to stop over here. This is called Mackie. So I found another huge dinner plate dahlia right here. You can see there's like 5 of them. This is just massive, massive. I thought I have a dinner plate dahlia, but this one is huge, gorgeous. So these are the section that has some awards on it. So this one is Best Novice Bloom, and this is the name of it. It's huge, huge flower, beautiful. This one is Best in Show, and it's a big bloom as well. So these are some of the awarded dahlias. This one is interesting. It's called Best Water Lily in Show, and this is called Sandia Isa. Look at this. It does look like a water lily. The petals, gorgeous. This one is Best Fully Double Novelty. Yeah, that one is beautiful as well. Look at that. And this is called Valley Porcupine. So they award them ribbons here from the Monterey Bay Dahlia Society. This one is Best Small 5 Blooms. Beautiful. Here's another one. Gorgeous. This one is interesting. This is called Tartan. It's quite an interesting dahlia right there. And next to it is Ryan C. This one is interesting as well. Look at the side of the flower, and then you start seeing the tips of it, white tips. This one is Flower of the Year, Discentered. This is gorgeous, very unique. Look at that, beautiful. This is called Just Married. And this one is called, I'm not quite sure what that is, but look at this gorgeous bloom. And this one's called Terrell. And this is Anne. And this is Rose Tocino. This one is called Pam Howden. And this is another rose that looks a lot like a lily here, water lily. Look at this, gorgeous, beautiful. And right next to it is called Ed's Bee Jam. Beautiful, look at that. So this one is called Red Eye. They're very, very tiny. This is my finger right here. Look at how small it is. This one is called Stillwater Plum. And this one is called Kelsey Amethyst. Goodness, look at that. Very small. This one is called Delight. And here it goes again, my finger. Look at how small this flower is. Amazing. This one is called Sungates Clementine. And here's my finger in comparison. This one is called Winky Lambrusco. Look at this tiny itty bitty flower. Beautiful. This one is called Daisy. Beautiful. This is called Dracula Dark Angel. Look at this beautiful tiny red flowers. This one is called Holly Hill Pixie. Beautiful, look at this. And next to it is Holly Hill Confetti. My goodness. They're tiny, but man, they make such an impression. This one is called Downham Royal. Really purple here. This one is called Rienne's Alexandria. Look at this beautiful dahlia. It's gorgeous. And this one is called Pollen Annie. Beautiful. This one is a formal decorative. Not sure if that's the name of it. Look at this gorgeous flower right here. I mean, they're all beautiful. There's just so many to look at. This water lily right here. And this one is called Orchid. Look at the color of this one. Gorgeous. Okay, so this one right here is called Blackjack. It's huge. Huge flower right here. And next to it is Holly Hill Exotica. This one is called SB Red Baron. Interesting. Look at this. This is called Elma Elizabeth. So this one is called Tanuki. Look at the little frills on this side. It has different colors. Just gorgeous. This one is called Cas Mauve. It's a huge flower as well. You can see. Beautiful. So this one is called My Forever. Huge flower. Gorgeous color. Look at that. And this one is called .com. Look at this tiny little flower. They're so perfect. I have some dahlias that are just in water right here. Beautiful. This one's called Daydreamer.
Things changed and I put it out front because I knew somebody would scoop it up. Because there's tape, the marble top is really nice.
Yvonne. This is called Yvonne. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.